Hi, I'm Tyler from TELUS, and today I'm answering the question, how do I fix slow internet? Part 1. Your internet is affected by a lot of things, so let's dive into some causes and solutions that might help you out. Checking your speed plan. If you're not getting the speeds you want, make sure you know what plan you have with TELUS. For example, if you're on high speed 150, you won't get any speeds faster than 150 meg. Keep in mind, devices on Wi-Fi won't be able to achieve the same speeds as devices with a wired connection, especially those on a higher speed plan. Clearing out your browser. It's important to know that the internet browser you're using can affect things. Closing unnecessary tabs and clearing your browser's cache is a surprisingly common fix to a lot of issues. Watching the number of devices connected to the network. Sometimes there's just too many devices connected to the network. If a family's doing a lot of data-heavy tasks all at the same time, like video calling, 4K streaming, or gaming, it congests your connection and speeds will start dropping for everyone. Managing your cloud uploads. Also, if you notice that you're experiencing slow speeds at the same time every day, it could be caused by uploading to the cloud, like files, photos, or videos. That will also congest your connection and cause slow speeds. Changing when your devices upload to the cloud could help smooth your speeds out. In this video, we covered fixing slow internet by checking your speed plan, clearing out your browser, watching the number of devices connected to the network, and managing your cloud uploads. You can find other potential solutions at telus.com/internet support. I'm Tyler, hope that helps, and thanks for watching.